going to work on our mathematics again like we did yesterday. We're going to start with the simple stuff and keep reviewing. First, we'll do addition, and we're going to start with single digits. And let's do a practice one. 2 plus 3 equals 5 is correct. So hopefully you guys got that answer. And we'll do another one. What's 3 plus 3? That equals 6. So now we're going to review subtraction, since this is all old stuff. Let's do, how about 5 minus 4? What is that? Hopefully you all have 1 on your papers. Now throughout the year we're going to be practicing with...
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, that's fine. Come on, let's go.
Good evening. Welcome to Channel 7 News. Tonight's top story is about bullying. The clip you just saw was actual footage of a 5th grade classroom. Notice that there are 3 people involved in the situation, but there was also bystanders that chose to ignore the situation.
Victims of bullying experience low self-esteem and are 2 to 9 times more likely to have suicidal thoughts. A recent study reported over half of middle school and high school students believe that their school staff wasn't doing anything to prevent bullying. One teacher, Ms. Gardner, who witnesses bullying on a regular basis in her classroom, shares with us her solutions to this problem.
Thank you so much for having me. As a teacher, I witness bullying between students all the time, different ages and different groups of people. After my first year of teaching, I decided to come up with solutions because I couldn't put up with it anymore. I started an anti-bullying program to help students and teachers be more aware of what they can do to stop the bullying. The program consists of 5 steps: early involvement, parent training, teacher training, attitude adjustment, and adding a positive school environment.
So how has this program improved the atmosphere of the school?
Well, unfortunately, every 7 minutes a student is bullied at different schools. We wanted to change that at Chambers Square Middle School. I started out slow with only members of the group putting inspirational quotes around the school, but now we have after-school activities that promote the students to get to know each other. That way it eliminates the judgment. We have guest speakers and hall monitors who are required to report bullying if they see any.
What are the consequences of bullying?
Well, we take this very seriously at Chambers Square Middle School. First offense is a referral straight to the principal. On the second offense, students have an immediate in-school suspension. Third-time offenders have an out-school suspension. And finally, on the 4th offense, the students will have a meeting with the guardians, the classroom teacher, the principal, and everyone who is involved.
What are your future plans for the anti-bullying organization?
Well, for this month, we have something very exciting planned. We're having a challenge day. And for those of you who don't know what a challenge day is, mentors come in from outside and they explain to students that they can't bully each other. They have to get to know one another and stop creating hate within the school.
Well, we hope that Challenge Day is a success for you guys, and thank you for sharing.
The activities you have planned for Challenge Day?
Well, the mentors keep the same activities that they do for every challenge day. They all get into groups, and preferably with people that they don't know, and then the children are overseen by chaperones that volunteer. We also have the students stand on the line, and the kids get to see which events in the children's life that they've gone through, like if their family's gone through a divorce, if they've witnessed a murder, if they do drugs, if they've tried to commit suicide. They cross the line if they have, and everyone gets to just view each other on a blank sheet, and there's no judging, and it gets really emotional for some of the students, and it really is a welcoming atmosphere, and the students seem to be really bonded by the end of it.
Well, we hope that Challenge Day is a success for you guys. It sounds like a great program. That Challenge Day is a success for you and your group. Sounds like a great program. Thanks for sharing your story.
Thank you so much for having me. Me and my 5th graders are really excited. Hey guys, thanks for being so great. And Challenge Day is going to be great, so thank you.
Since the recognition of bullying has increased, the awareness of anti-bullying has gone up. Teachers, school board officials, and government, including President Obama, are stepping forward to intensify the consequences of bullying.
Some ways you can respond to bullying in your own school are to respond to any bullying incident you witness. Use the incident as a teachable moment, seek outside help, and set an example with your own behavior.